Hello, students. In this video, I'm going to walk you through, when using Labarchives, how to make some quick edits for your tables, whether you want to add rows, add columns, remove columns, and change the background. So in one of our earlier labs, we went over and we highlighted a couple of rows and deleted them very easily, because as soon as we highlight and let go of the mouse, we would see right away under row, we have the choice to delete rows or insert rows. Now, in this particular lab that you're doing for experiment 1, chemical and physical changes, you're going to need to add a couple of rows because we're going to have additional chemicals to add to the safety data sheet. So you want to add a couple of rows. Now you can actually go in here and change the rows by the height and just by hitting enter, just like I did there. So that's really easy. Just like if you needed to delete a row, we can highlight the row that we want to delete, and then we can go to rows and hit delete rows. But again, you're going to have to add some additional rows because there's more than just these chemicals that we're working with. Now, in the case of accidentally you removed an entire column, because that can happen. You can highlight a column by accident. And if you go over here on columns, or if you even just hit the delete button, that column will go. So what I want to show you is how you can insert a column if you accidentally delete one. You could just say insert column before. So if you were to, delete this column by accident, whether you hit the delete button or you just hit delete column, you can then highlight the column next to it and then easily just insert a column before or after. Okay, so you're going to need that for Labarchives for the entire semester and in future semesters when you work with Labarchives. The other thing I want to mention is people are not realizing you do not have to leave the background yellow. So after you begin to edit it, a lot of you are leaving the background yellow. So if you go right here on this icon, which is the little paint bucket, it says cell background, you can go and highlight and just click white and it'll go to white. If you want to keep it yellow, that's fine. I'm just saying overall, it's a little distracting, but you can change that. So I hope this recording helps you with working through Labarchives. And if you have any questions, let me know.